In this video, we'll take a look at how to fix the access is denied message which you get when you type in bootrec//fixboot in command prompt. You'll normally encounter this error when trying to solve any startup problems, and this is mainly due to issues with the disk partition, boot configuration data, or boot manager. So in advanced options, go into troubleshoot and then command prompt. So here when I type in bootrec//fixboot, you see I get the access is denied error. Now this can be fixed with one command, which is bootsect//NT60 The bootsec is a command line option that updates the master boot code for partitions. The /NT60 part applies the master boot code that is compatible with boot manager to sys, all, or a particular drive letter. The all updates the master boot code on all partitions. The all option does not necessarily update the boot code for each volume. Instead, this option updates the boot code on volumes that can be used as Windows boot volumes, which excludes any dynamic volumes that are not connected with an underlying disk partition. So let's run this command. Once complete, you can see that it lets you know that the boot code was successfully updated on at least one volume. And further up the list, it will give you the details to say which partitions it was able to update the boot code on. Now if we run the bootrec//fixboot command again, you'll see that it successfully runs this time. So I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe for more tutorials.